Today I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Draw.io. Tags are an incredibly powerful feature that let you organize, filter, and manage elements in your diagrams without having to group them permanently or place them on specific layers. This gives you much more flexibility when working with complex diagrams. First, head over to Draw.com and click the Start button. This will direct you to a new tab where you can begin working on your diagram. For this tutorial, I'm using a networking diagram as an example, but this feature works with any type of diagram you create in Draw.io. Once you're in your diagram, look up to the top menu and click on View. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Tags. This will open up the Tags panel, which is where you'll manage all your diagram tags. The panel will appear on the side of your workspace, ready for you to start organizing your elements. In the Tags panel, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on this icon to add your first tag. Let's start with something simple. Type in user for the tag name, then click Add. This creates your first tag, which you can now assign to any elements in your diagram. Now, select all the user elements in your diagram. You can do this by clicking and dragging to select multiple shapes or by holding Shift and clicking each one individually. Once all the user elements are highlighted, go back to the Tags panel and click the checkbox next to the user tag. This assigns the user tag to all the selected elements. Let's add another tag to see how this works with different categories. Click the plus icon again in the Tags panel and name this new tag Disabled User. Then click Add. Now, find the disabled user element in your diagram and select it. In the Tags panel, click the checkbox next to the Disabled User tag. This assigns that specific tag to that element. Here's where it gets really useful. Notice the eye icon beside each tag in the Tags panel. Try clicking the eye icon next to the Disabled User tag. You'll see that the element tagged with Disabled User disappears from view. This is an incredibly handy way to hide specific elements without deleting them or moving them to different layers. Click the eye icon again to make them reappear. What makes tags so powerful is that you don't need to group shapes into a fixed combined shape or place them on one layer before you can select, hide, or display them. You can assign multiple tags to each shape and connector, which allows for much more complex actions. For instance, a single element could have both a user tag and a network device tag, giving you multiple ways to filter and organize your diagram. This flexibility is especially valuable when you're working with large, intricate diagrams where you need to focus on specific elements at different times. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.